Hello everyone and welcome to this LMT Tools training video where we will be unboxing and setting up an F2 EVO axial thread rolling head. The setup manual contains all of the key information I will summarize in this video and more. Inside the box we have 4 wrenches and the thread rolling head. Additionally, you will need a set of thread rolls and an exchangeable shank adapter. Lay out all of the items for easy access and let's begin assembly. First, we attach the shank adapter to the back of the rolling head using the 2 included screws. Next, we remove the front plate screws and front plate. Now we can see the carbide bushings and eccentric spindles on which we will install the thread rolls. The thread rolls are marked with letters ABC and numbers 1, 2, 3. For right-handed applications like this one, the rolls are assembled in a clockwise direction starting on any of the 3 spindles. Left-handed applications use a counterclockwise assembly direction. Once the rolls are seated, reattach the front plate with its screws. Next, we need to loosen the hex nuts near the shank to allow adjustment of the thread rolls via the fine adjustment located on the side of the housing. Turning the fine adjustment clockwise will bring the rolls closer to the center line, or towards the minus side of the scale, and vice versa. Each line on the scale is equivalent to a 0.004 of an inch change in the minor and pitch diameters of the thread to be rolled. Inserting a precision pin between the rolls, which has the minor diameter of the thread you intend to produce, will result in a more precise setup than using a pre-threaded component, although this also works fine if properly seated within the pitch of the rolls. Once the head is correctly adjusted, we must retighten the hex nuts to hold this position. This concludes unboxing and initial setup of the F2 EVO axial thread rolling system. Keep on rolling and have a great day.